and welcome back to Pray, Plan, Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. So we will be unboxing my very first Oh So Paper Co. subscription box, you guys. Like, I have not opened it. It is still sealed. As you can see, the tape is still around it. Super excited. Can't wait to open this with you guys. So let's go ahead and dig in. Alright, y'all, we about to dig into this box here. As you can see, we have to cover up some stuff here. I can't be showing y'all my information, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and cut this box open. We gonna see what's inside. I'm super excited. I don't know about y'all, but I am. Now, I will like to say right now, before I forget, y'all, okay? Alright, sorry y'all, I had to pause for a second. I hope y'all have enough light here. Yeah, I hope my lighting is okay for y'all. But anyways, I have seen this subscription box being unboxed by so many people, but the one lady here on the tube that actually convinced me to actually get this, besides, you know, it's so beautiful, she talks so highly of this brand. Her name is Takoa, okay? She is from Southern Tea Time. Hey, girl! Yes, honey, you got me to get this subscription box. And since I just hit 1K, I got the box, y'all. I got the box. So, we're going to go ahead and unbox this. So, we're going to, there we go, flip you this way, move my phone. Got some scissors here, y'all. Ooh, I hope I don't cut nothing. Y'all, I hope I don't cut nothing. So, super excited. Miss Takoa got me to get this box, you guys. She really did. So, okay. All my sides are cut open. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this box over here. Ooh, ooh, y'all, I see stuff on my monitor right here, okay? I see stuff and it looks so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what it says. It says Happy Camper. You guys, I've never camped before, but can I take this off? I would like to keep this sticker. Can I keep this sticker? Ooh, it comes off pretty easy. Ooh, yes. But here is inside of the box, you guys. I'm trying to keep the flowers in the frame. It probably will not happen. There we go. All right, you guys, I'm super excited. So, look at the confetti. Oh, look at the little paper shreds. Love it. I'm just, ooh, you guys. Okay. So, I'm just going to pull everything out. But this is so pretty, you guys. I am going to reuse this. This is just so gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so we have everything right here. We're gonna pull this first thing. Ooh, this first item here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. All right. So this first item here. This is their Mini Friends monthly subscription box, by the way, you guys. And we got April 2021. So we're going to go ahead and Oh So Paper Co. Alright. And just take these babies out of here, you guys. I'm super excited. So excited. Like, my hands are kind of shaking, y'all. But I'm like so excited. Alright, we're going to move that wrapper to the side. Ooh, so the first thing we got here, is this a sticker? You guys, this is a sticker. OMG, you guys. OMG. Takoa, honey. Oh, girl, I believe you now. Ooh, look at these. They're so pretty. Look at these girls. Ooh, they are so ready to go camping, y'all. I guess it's glamping for me. Oh, there it is, glamping. Because I ain't sleeping on no hard floor. But that is so gorgeous. And then this here, ooh, girls trip glamping, 123 stickers. Y'all, there's 123 stickers in this little sticker book. Oh my gosh. Then there's 10 sheets of stickers. Okay, we're gonna kind of bend you this way. Oh my goodness, look at these girls. So pretty, you guys. I can't wait to play with these. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, I love this. I love this. This attire here, this is me like every single day. Like, that attire is just so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, look at this. Ooh, look at her. That's cute, you guys. That is so cute. Next page. Oh, aren't those gorgeous? That is so pretty. I cannot wait to play with this sticker book. Oh my goodness. Happy Camper. Oh, you guys. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Ooh, over here we got some good stickers. We got like Girls Night Out, Note to Self, Payday, y'all. Bills Due, National Wine Day. Ooh, y'all. National Wine Day is May 9th. Oh, y'all, is this for... I'm gonna like this one because it's National Wine Day. This is May 9th. Okay, Memorial Day is May 25th. Mother's Day is May 31st. Yeah, honey. Shout out if you a mama. Shout out. All right. I like the fact that they put the dates down there. That's very, very nice. Look at these cute little boxes, and then these check marks for checklists. And then you got the weekend. Then you got some more down here. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at, they're laying down looking at the... Isn't this the Big Dipper? Ooh, look at all these stars, you guys. Look. Oh, that is my kind of sitting. Roughing it on a seat, okay? Not the ground, but... That is so cute. Ooh, look at this. The darkest night produces the brightest stars. That is so pretty. Let the adventure begin, y'all. Thanks to y'all, my adventure is a beginning. I'm super excited about that. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at this, honey. Look at this. Then we got little page flags that say note on there. Oh, so pretty. Those are just so pretty. I might have to use every single sticker in this book because it's so pretty. Alright, that's the end of that one. Super excited about this. Yes. Y'all. Ooh, yes. So next, I think Takoa says that every single month you get a magnet. I think this is the magnet, you guys. And if it is, I'm going to have to buy me one of those like little magnet walls or magnet adhesive things to put on my wall. OMG, it is a magnet, it says it right there. But isn't this so cute? Look at the girls, it looks just like the sticker. I love that, you guys. I love this. I love this. Ooh. Now I actually got this package yesterday, but I was trying really hard not to open it. Oh, you guys, look. Oh my gosh, what is this, a postcard? Oh, it tells me everything that's in here. Oh, subscription access to coloring books, sticker books, subscribers only freebies. Oh yes. And then it tells you what kind of stickers that you got. And glamping collection, personalized notepad and notebook. This is just so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. But I love this card. It's just gorgeous, you guys. So next here we got little moments make big memories. Y'all, we're gonna open this. I like how everything is in the cellophane bags to keep it safe, especially because you never know if it's going to be raining when you get a package or the package is going to be delivered wherever it's delivered. So that's super nice. Ooh, this is like a book. Hello. This is a journal, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these pictures. They're so gorgeous. You can put your sticker on top of this, or you can color it. I like how it has lines, and it also has like the dot grid here that you can utilize too. It's not as dark as this, as you can see. It's like a light gray. Oh, and then we have another one. Ooh, I'm super excited to find out what the other theme is here. That is so pretty. And then the next one, you guys, I am just super excited about this book. I know I'm skipping some, you guys, but like, woo, so pretty. Woo. So pretty. Can't wait to play with this. Super, super like that. Super like that. Really do like that. And then the next item here is in this little bag here. So I can take it out. Ooh, it feels nice. This feels like really, 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 really nice. So here's a bag. It says love on there. And, ooh, pretty sure it sits up, you guys. So let me, oh, y'all have to see this. I have to show you guys this. All right, you guys, so inside of the bag here, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe we should turn it this way. Okay, so we got the bag. We got some little compartments here that you guys can put, I can put little stuff in here like pins or something. Oh, that's nice. And it sits up because it has a flat bottom. Oh yeah, you guys, it has a flat bottom. That is nice. Super excited about that. Let's see if I can fit my book in here, y'all. Oh, you guys, that is so cute. I can fit everything in here. Everything. You guys, I'm super excited about this. Super excited. Alright, you guys, so that's all I wanted to share with you today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my very first unboxing here from Oh So Paper Co. You guys, I've been looking at them for the longest, and I'm super excited I finally got this subscription. I love it, you guys. I haven't even had it that long, haven't even played with anything yet, but I love it already. Can't wait to jump into this and play with it. Yes, thank you, Miss Takoa. Thank you, honey, for insisting. She doesn't know that yet, but insisting that I get this subscription. Thank you. I got it. I'm super excited. Yes, ma'am. All right, you guys. So if you're new here, once again, I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. Over here, we do some DIYs. We do clean with me's. We do plan with me's. And now we're doing unboxings. All right, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.